Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader, India's #1 trading family, and we just don't speak about trading, we do it. If you are watching this video, then let me make it clear. So if you are a beginner, or if you are a person who do not know the value of investing, or if you are a person who just finished your degree or MBA and have joined a new work, or if your son or your daughter or your grandson or your granddaughter who is in this particular situation, transition time, then this video is especially for you to understand and also share with them. The reason I'm doing this particular video is because there are a lot of people who do not understand the importance of investing, because in college and schools we learn social science, Hindi, Kannada, English language, maths, all these subjects, but later on people went to doctor, engineering, and few went to commerce. So few people know and few people do not know. Few people like me would have not even heard properly in the colleges and would have not taken it seriously. So we never knew the importance of investment and why investment is important in our daily life, and how our wealth can go bigger and bigger with the term of investment. So before I tell you the difference between these two, a person with investing is more wealthier and than the person who is not investing, let me give a small example, a live example of this person, myself. When I passed out from my college, there was no one to tell me what is investment, what is finance thing. I was a graduate who graduated from BPM finance, but you know, right, we buy hard and we learn all this equation, corporate tax, all these things, accounting, and we pass out. But in real life, we do not know the impact of this money, because in college days we used to not make money, so we didn't know of idea of making money, how we should increase our money. But later on, after years going into trading and all that, I realized one particular thing. When I just passed out from my college, okay, my first focus that I need a bike, okay, and I bought a KTM RC bike when I got a job. And I cannot buy the bike, it is almost 2 lakh bike, KTM RC 200, so super bike type. So I wanted to buy the bike, I took a loan of the bike. So now I have to pay at least 18 months EMI for that particular loan, for that particular bikes. Now I took that bike, my standard of living is increased one step ahead. I have to put fuel to that bike, very less mileage. And when I'm going in such bikes, then I need to have a good, attire, a good dressing sense, right? I should look cool. When bike to school, then I should look cool. I should maintain myself with good dressing. I need to buy good dress, shoes, jeans. Same way, I need to buy a good mobile. So day by day your lifestyle will go one step ahead, because every one of us wants to live a better lifestyle, a better human. So for that you should have mental peace. Whatever you want in life, you need to achieve. So that is how you get mental peace in your mind. So by doing this, my expenses went higher. But will my boss say, Dias, you took a KTM RC bike, now I will increase your salary? No, they will not increase my salary just like that. At least I should wait end of the year for my appraisal, or else I need to get a promotion to increase my salary, right? So my expenses goes up, but I am still working. I am working that 9 to 10 hours in my office, but I'm getting the same particular salary, right? But my expenses are going higher, and I'm started using my credit card and all of the stuff. My expenses went higher and higher. I know most of you guys will be in the same situation right now when I was initially when I joined the company. I realized after 2-3 years, I wasted a lot of money putting on expenses, and these were giving me more expenses. I thought enjoying life early stage is more good, but you should enjoy your life at early stage. But also, if you invest in your early stage, your life after 25 or 30 will be more better compared to a person who will do more expenses before. So now coming to the point, the person who is investing and the person who is not investing. Let's take an example of a person A who is not investing. Okay, a person A who is not investing. You have saved almost 10 lakh rupees. Okay, you have kept 10 lakh rupees. You have kept this 10 lakh rupees in your bank account. You're not even spending. Either you're spending, buying some car, bike, everything, and you're spending 2 days, or in 2 years you'll get bored of that same bike and car. It's the truth. If let's say he's saving the money and not investing, he's keeping his money idle. He's not investing anywhere. He's just keeping in one particular account. He's keeping it as in house. He's keeping somewhere and he's not changing this money at all. 10 lakh remains 10 lakh. Imagine 10 years down the line, considering your inflation, your standard of living, everything, this 10 lakh is nothing. Imagine your great great grandfather or my great great grandfather saved 1 lakh rupees in those days. Those days, 1 lakh rupees. Imagine 50 years back, they saved 1 lakh rupees and kept in their house. Imagine that 1 lakh rupees today, if he gives me the 1 lakh rupees, beta, I have saved 1 lakh rupees, take this 1 lakh rupees. Will that value me today? It will be equal to our salary, what we are getting, right? So there is no point in saving that 1 lakh considering the inflation, standard of living, everyone wants to go above. Every product is selling will go above. Every seller in the road also wants to live higher. Even they will sell their product day by day in a higher price, right? How do you cope up? The same money today, when I spoke about my grandpa about 1 lakh rupees, same imagine yourself, you're saving 10 lakh rupees, keeping money saying, I have saved 10 lakh rupees. No. Longer run, this 10 lakh rupees is nothing for you. You cannot become wealthy by just working. Okay, you can spend how much hours in a day? You have only 24 hours a day. You will spend 10 to 14 hours traveling, everything for your office, but you're getting the same salary. After a year, that's an increment. It's not a double increment, right? It's a small percentage of increment. So by that increment, your expenses are increasing. Everything is increasing. So where are you increasing in your wealth? It's going the same line, the same graph. Money increased, standard of life increased, but you are on the same line in terms of your wealth, whatever you're saving or whatever you're making. So that's why they say you should not work. Your money should work for you. If you want to become wealthier, if you alone work, it will not happen. Your money also should work for you, right? If you have a company, imagine you have a company and you have a lot of employees. If you say the employees do not work, come and sit every day, will that work? No, right? If each and every employee work for you, you generate more and more things. Same way, money is also an external factor of you. You are an individual, money is an external factor. If this external factor works for you every day and it is making something for you, it's like an employee for you. Your money is making money. This money is making money. So money makes money. You are saving that money and that saved money is making money for you. So that's how you build and multiply your money. So that's how wealth is created. So the person who's investing, for example, you invested the same 10 lakh rupees in mutual funds and you got minimum, I would not say 40%, I would not say 2%, I would say 10% average in a good, high capital, large market capital mutual funds. You are investing in a very safe way. You got 10% on mutual fund, 10 years down the line, 100%. And people who have got money from your mutual fund, it'll divert and understanding the compounding and reinvestment, getting dividends on stocks, investing in stocks, these are the extra bonuses. So your money, same money will be getting dividend. So it's again bonus, right? Interest on what? The interest on interest, compounding. So money you saved 1 lakh rupees, you got 10,000 interest, but you're getting interest on 1 lakh plus that 10,000. So that's the magic of investing. So if you talk about investing, there are a lot of terms in investing. Lot of way, safe way, lesser way, high risk, low risk. There are a lot of way investing, but end of the day, your money is making money. That is what I'm trying to tell you guys. But in terms of, if we talk about not investing, wasting your time in this very young age, just investing money. Yes, you need to buy mobile, you need to buy good bike, everything. But that should not ensure that your coming future will become paying loans, end up paying credit cards, your lifestyle goes down, you can't go for a party, you don't have money to put petrol, all the situation not come. If you're very wealthier and you have that extra money, spend 20% of your income for your expenses, have a lavish life up to your 20%. Either increase your incoming so that your expenses also can be increased. I would say 20-25% you can do an expense in a month. So if you increase your income, the 25% also will increase. You can have a better lifestyle. But people, what they do, you get money 100% and you do expense 90% and you try to live with that 10%. That's the biggest mistake we do. So in this very young age, I know it will be a little difficult. You will be a little different from the people from the crowd. But as and when the year goes, you will lead more than them. You will have a better lifestyle. This is what I learned little late. This is the technique which I got to know later. Once I was into this field, I realized this is the magic of it. Until then, no one came and told me, Dias, do this, do that. Nobody told me the importance. Now I feel the importance is really good. So I'm trying to share my experience Different people may have different experience, but I'm just telling my point of view. Different people have different perceptions, so whichever, everyone is right, no one is wrong. So everyone have their point of view, everyone have their own experience. So if this type of video is helping you and this type of topic helped you, then share this video with all your friends, son, daughters, friends, groups, WhatsApp group, wherever, colleagues. Share that so that many will get help out of this. And if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, then soon hit that subscribe button and be a part of this big family, because we have a lot of things coming up on our way. And also hit that like button for me. And anyway, see you soon in my next video. If possible, I'll try to read the comments, and as you know, the first 10-20 minutes I'll see the comments. I can upload the good comments, whichever comes in, but later when I do tomorrow, I won't see the previous comments or whatever is been coming on the old videos. That's the reason I won't be able to look into comments. Next day I'll be taking care of next video, so I won't have time to see what are the 10, 20, 30, 100 comments what are there, try to answer those. Then I cannot do video for the next day, considering till December I'll be going to my office secret. So anyways, see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.